This year, we launched our fully self-developed 3S integrated architecture product, which helps energy storage better serve power market transactions, renewable energy generation, commercial and industrial sectors, and microgrids. Looking ahead, we will further strengthen our in-house R&D and AI intelligence. We firmly believe that our smart, self-developed core technologies will help us better meet market needs in product development, product quality, and customer service, ultimately setting us apart in the industry. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
Our goal is to create safe, smart, and easy-to-use products for every home, delivering energy solutions that truly fit family needs and make green living easier. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
Our Hangzhou R&D Center is dedicated to building the smart brain of energy storage systems. With the power of AI, we are making breakthroughs in key local controller technologies, from safety prediction and fault diagnosis to scheduling algorithms, taking system intelligence and efficiency to the next level. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
The safe operation of an energy storage system depends not only on battery cells, but also on advanced system integration technologies. Through precise cell matching, high precision, and comprehensive safety protection, we ensure our energy storage systems are consistent, secure, and dependable. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
The BMS or battery management system is the safety backbone of every energy storage system. At our Shenzhen R&D Center, we're constantly improving BMS performance, using innovation to keep our system safe and reliable. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
Built on innovation and evolving with technology, we're committed to providing professional, standardized service. We believe that a complete, efficient, and convenient after-sales system will keep our customers satisfied and ensure every energy storage system runs safely and smoothly. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we stride together toward a brighter future.
The safe and stable operation of our energy storage systems depends on intelligent manufacturing. Today, our production is fully digitalized with smart systems, giving us precise control over every step, ensuring top quality consistency in every product. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together towards a brighter future.
It's our responsibility to make our value chain more competitive. We focus on three things: doing everything with precision, working as one team, and driving green innovation, all to strengthen POWEROAD's smart and sustainable manufacturing. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
Guided by the principle of full control and zero risk, we keep refining our processes, strengthening our standards, and managing every detail to make sure every product is consistent in quality, from design to delivery. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
Over the past 24 years, through continuous effort and growth, we've built a company that meets international standards in quality management, occupational health and safety, and environmental protection. With our recent ESG certification, we are proud to see our corporate governance reach a new level, marking the start of a new chapter in sustainable development. We'll keep leading the way with even stronger management and a commitment to excellence. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
Over the past 24 years, we've been united by a shared culture and belief in this great mission of energy transformation. The dedication and the commitment of every POWEROADer are our greatest treasures. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and the shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
It's been almost 20 years since I joined POWEROAD. I'm so grateful to this company, a place that's helped me grow from a beginner to who I am today. I've had the honor of witnessing every challenge, every breakthrough, and every transformation along the way. After 20 years together, we're not just colleagues, we're partners, we're family. I'll always cherish what we've achieved, and I look forward to working hand in hand with POWEROAD into the next 20 years. Happy 24th birthday, POWEROAD! With the same vision and shared dreams, we strive together toward a brighter future.
Happy birthday, POWEROAD! Go greener, go zero. Fight!